Encompassing delicious protein-filled options like smoothie bowls and protein shakes, the post-workout food category is convenience at its finest. They can be easily carried to the gym or consumed on the go, aiding muscle recovery and replenishing energy stores without sacrificing time or effort. The versatility and customization potential allow fitness enthusiasts to tailor their post-workout meals to meet their specific dietary requirements, whether it's vegan, gluten-free or dairy-free. With consumers more health conscious than ever, protein is the new face of snack foods. No-bake protein bars, protein balls and chia pudding are popular choices among high-protein snacks, sustaining energy throughout the day. Popular ingredients like chocolate, vanilla and peanut butter satisfy both the desire for traditional sweet breakfast flavours and the craving for indulgent dessert-like food choices. The wide variety of flavours and textures available in protein snacks cater to diverse taste preferences, making them enjoyable alternatives to traditional, less nutritious snack options. In a fast-paced modern lifestyle, meal replacements provide a quick and easy option for busy individuals to consume a well-balanced meal in a fraction of the time it takes to prepare a traditional meal. Advancements in formulation and taste of meal replacement products have greatly improved, making them more appealing to a wider audience. The growing awareness of the importance of nutritional needs and managing calorie intake has further contributed to their rise, as they offer precise control over the nutritional content of a meal. This trend bite is from the latest food trend for Gen Z, their new blurred eating culture.